Good afternoon, Bucks County. We're doing another Slateline Asphalt Shingle install with standing seam metal valleys. For all your residential and commercial needs, please visit the website williampennroofing.com or dial 215-WPR-ROOF. For a full roof evaluation, maybe you need a gutter install. Maybe you have a commercial property that needs to be dealt with. Maybe you need a referral for an electrician. Something we can all provide for you.